Okay, Algebra 2, Chapter 2, Section 2, Part 2 notes. In this video, I'll tell you how to tell if a line is rising, falling, horizontal, or vertical by examining their slope, or the slope. And I can also do in this video, we'll talk about the slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, how to tell if a line is rising, falling, horizontal, or vertical. What I mean by horizontal is lines that go directly side to side, and vertical, I mean lines that go straight up and down. Rising, lines that look like this, reading left or right. If this was a person walking, they would be going up like an escalator or up some stairs. And then falling, let's say if the person was walking from left to right, this person hit this line and would tumble down or would be decreasing in height. Okay. I like to make a chart. Okay, m represents the slope. That's the variable that represents slope. If the m is positive, it represents a rising line, a line that looks something like this. And if the m is negative, that would represent a line that's falling, a line that looks similar to this one. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Okay, and vertical lines, these have undefined slope. This is when you divide by 0, undefined. Okay, undefined. All right, for example, if we look at a slope, let's just say we take a slope 1/3. Okay, 1/3 is positive. Just by looking at the slope and not even graphing the line, I could tell that this is a line that's rising. Okay, m equals -2/3. Okay, this is a negative slope. This would be a line that is falling. Okay. M equals 0 divided by 7. 0 in the numerator, okay, or 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Therefore, this is a horizontal line. And then if we have a slope, let's say 9/0, 0 in the denominator, dividing by 0 is undefined. So this is undefined. And this represents a vertical line. Okay. Parallel and perpendicular lines is next. Parallel lines, these are lines that never intersect in the coordinate plane. Okay, sometimes we denote them with little arrows right in the middle of the line, saying that these are parallel lines. Parallel lines have the same slope. Okay, M1, this was line 1 and that was line 2. M1 is equal to M2. So for example, if the slope of one line was, let's say, -5, the slope of a parallel line would be also -5. Okay? Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slope, and perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a 90-degree angle. Okay, and sorry, I just got an email. Negative reciprocal slopes. So, for example, if I gave you the slope of line 1, let's say it was 3/4, a slope of a perpendicular line, M2, would be the reciprocal of this fraction, the flip, and the negative reciprocal. So -4/3 would be the slope of the perpendicular line. And if you had two lines, let's say M1 was equal to 3 and M2 was equal to 2/3, these are neither the same nor negative reciprocals, therefore they are neither parallel or perpendicular. Okay, hope that helps.